Let's try to solve a sample problem that involves operation in the matrices. So given the following matrices, we have matrix A, matrix B, and then matrix C. So we are asked to compute the value of X, ito yung X natin, matrix C, if the determinant of B times A, then minus C transpose is 7,210. So first is, let's compute muna itong BA natin. That's the multiplication of your matrix. So yung B natin, ito, that is -9, 4, -7, 5. Then we have -2, 1, 2, and then 0. For your matrix A, that is -3, +6, 1, and 6. Next is 4, 5, and then 2. Last is -9. So if we try to multiply yung matrix natin, so we need to check first, no? Yung matrix B natin has a size of 4 by 2 matrix. And then yung ating matrix A naman ay 2 by 4. So since ito and this one have the same value, so we can say that we can multiply yung B tsaka A natin. So yung size ng ating B and A, or yung product ng B and A is 4 by 4 matrix. Let's say yung ating matrix BA will be same in matrix D. So therefore, yung matrix D natin will become 4 by 4 matrix. D is 1, 1. D 2, 1. And then we have D 3, 1. Then D 4, 1. Next is D 1, 2. D 2, 2. And then D 3, 2. And then D 4, 2. Next, D 1, 3. D 2, 3. And then D 3, 4. Or 3, 3. D 4, 3. The next ay D1, 4. Then D2, 4. Then D3, 4. And lastly ay D4, 4. So we need to solve 16 elements ng ating matrix. So solve natin one by one. Okay, so let's try to solve yung ating matrix D. That is, the matrix D is also the product of your matrix B times A. So we know that yung size nito ay 4 by 4. And we need to solve 16 elements. So let's start with D sub 1, 1. So pagka sinabing D sub 1, 1, that is your first row and then first column. So therefore, that is -9 times -3 plus -2 times 4. So the answer here is positive 19. Next, D sub 1, 2 naman. So D sub 1, 2 is first row ulit siya, and then second row. We have -9 times 6 plus -2 times 5. So the answer here is -64. Next, we have D sub 1, 3. And D sub 1, 3 is first row and then third column. -9 times 1 plus -2 times +2. The answer here is -30. Next, D sub 1, 4. D sub 1, 4 ay first row and then fourth column. We have -9 times 6 plus -2 times -9. So the answer here is -36. Okay, so we are done with the first row. So let's compute naman yung ating second row. Second row, that is on D sub 2, 1. That is equivalent sa second row and then first column. So that is 4 times negative 3 plus 1 times 4. So the answer here ay negative 8. Next, D sub 2 naman. D sub 2, second row. And then second column. So that is 4 times 6 plus 1 times 5. The answer ay 29. Okay, next. D sub 2, 3. So in D sub 2, 3 ay second row and then third column. That is 4 times 1 plus 1 times 2. So the answer ay 6. Okay, last. Yung D sub 2, 4 naman. So meron tayong second row and then fourth column. So that is 4 times 6 plus 1 times negative 9. The answer here ay positive 50. Okay, so we are done with the first two rows. So we can compute now for the third row. So that is D31. That is equivalent sa third row and then first column. So that is equivalent sa negative 7 times negative 3 plus positive 2 times 4. So the answer ay 29. Next, D sub 32. Third row and then second column. Negative 7 multiplied by 6 plus positive 2 times 5. The answer is negative 30. Next, D sub 3, 3. So that is third row and then third column. We have negative 7 times 1 plus 2 times 2. So the answer ay negative 3. Next, D sub 3, 4 as element for the third row. We have third row and then fourth column. Negative 7 multiplied by 6 plus positive 2 times negative 9. And the answer here ay negative 6. Okay, so tapos na tayo sa third row and then last row na lang. So that is D sub 4, 1. Ang D sub 4, 1 natin ay first row and then first column. That is 5 times negative 3 plus 0 times 4. 4. The answer here ay negative 50. Next, we have D sub 4, 2. D sub 4, 2 ay 5. Yan fourth row and then second. So 4 or 5 and 6 plus 0 times 5. So the value here ay 30. Next, D sub 43. D sub 40 naman, fourth row and third column. We have 5 times 1 plus 0 times 2. So this is equivalent to 5. Then, next, yung D sub 44 naman, that is equivalent sa fourth row and then fourth column. Equation is 5 times 6 plus 0 times negative. And the answer ay positive 3. So we are now completed all of the elements ng ating matrix D. So we can write them now. So yung matrix D natin ay 19, negative 64, negative 13, negative 36, and followed by negative 8, 29, 6, and then 15. Next ay 29, negative 32, negative 3, negative 60, negative 15, then 30, 5, and last ay 30. Ito yung ating matrix din natin. Itong mga values na to ay base dito sa na-compute natin. Yung kukumpitin natin ngayon ay itong ating C transpose. So, yung ating matrix C ay ito. Ang gagawin lang natin ay ita-transpose lang natin siya. Compute yung ating C transpose is we're just rearranging yung ating elements. Kapag nagta-transpose tayo, yung row natin isusulat natin into column or yung column natin isusulat natin into row. So, let's say, isusulat ko yung column natin into row. That is 4, 3, 6, and then 1. Next, 0, -7, -2, and then 0, -5, 2, 9, and then 2. And then last is x, -6, -4, and then 11. So this is now the transpose of your matrix C. Next naman ay kukumpitin na natin yung equation natin na yung BA minus CT. Given that, itong matrix din natin, di ba sabi natin this is your BA. And then we need to compute yung BA minus C transpose. So gagawin lang natin, yung itong matrix din natin, subtract lang dito. So isa-isahin lang natin siya. So, therefore, yung ating matrix ng BA minus C transpose I, so that is 19 minus 4, yan ay 15. Next, -64 tsaka 3, -67. Next, -13 and 6, we have -19. Then next is -37. Next naman, itong -8 tsaka 0, so we have -3. 29 and -7, 36. Next, 6 and -2, so that is +8. Then thus, for second row ay 15 tsaka 0, so 50. Next, we have 29 minus 5, 34. -32 minus 2, that is -34. Same lang din, but negative sign. Then we have -3 minus 9, -12. -60 minus 2, so we have -16. Next, we have -15, then minus x. So ilalagay natin talaga ay -15 minus x. Next, we have 30 and then -6. So that is +36. 5 and then 4 or -4. That is +9. And then lastly, 30 and 11 ay 19. So ito yung ating BA minus C. And the next, no, based from the problem, sabi daw, yung determinant ng BA minus C is 7,210. Determinant of BA minus C transpose ay 7,210. So, paano ba natin makukuha yung value ng x such that yung maging determinant natin ay 7,210? Yung pinakamabilis na way dyan is using the cofactor expansion. So, para ma-solve natin siya kagad, ang gagamitin nating row ay yung fourth row na. So, therefore, yung ating formula for cofactor expansion for getting the determinant is summation of 1 raised to I plus j, or -1 raised to I plus j, and times A sub ij times the submatrix M sub ij. Okay, so solve muna natin A sub ij natin. Yung mga A sub ij natin, ito yung mga elements na pinili natin from anong row yung pinili natin dito sa ating matrix. Meron tayong A41. So yung A41 natin ay -15 minus x. Meron tayong A42, that is 36. A43, positive 9. Then A44I, positive 9. Okay, so using yung formula natin for getting the determinant using the cofactor expansion, the determinant of dA minus C transpose I. Now we will start with the first element ng ating fourth row. We have -1 raised to, yung kanyang position ay 4, 1. So 4 plus 1 times -15 minus x. Then yung kanyang submatrix by omitting this column and then row, we have -67, -19, -37, 36, 8, 15, -34, -12, and -6. Okay, then plus, second element naman, ito ay 4 plus 2, yung kanyang position, and then meron tayong 36, then times the determinant, no? By omitting this column and then this row, we have 15, -8, 34, -19, 8, -12, -37, 15, -0. The next, meron tayo ditong plus para sa third element, -1 plus 4 plus 3 is the position of that element na 9 is sa ating fourth row. And times, by omitting yung column and this row, we have 15, -8, 34, -67, 36, -34, and then -37, 15, -62. Then lastly, yung last element natin, -1 raised to 4 plus 4, then multiply by 19, then times, omitting this fourth column, then fourth row, 15, -8, 34, -67, 36, -34, -19, 8, and -12. So, next thing that we need to do is to find out yung mga determinants nito. So, yung mga determinant ng mga matrix natin ay this one, -5, 6, 2, 6. Then, second matrix natin ay 1, 5, 0, 6. Third one, ito ay 8, 4, 5, 6. Then, this one ay 3, 8, 9, 6. And if you remember, yung determinant ng ating dA minus CT ay 7,210. So, simplifying everything that we have, ito pa, simplify natin ito, ano yung -1. So, yung -1 natin, dito ay -1. Ito naman ay +1. Then, meron tayo dito -1 ulit, and then another +1. So, we have 7,210 equivalent sa -15 minus x times -5,626, and then plus 1 times 36, and then times 1,506, then minus -1 times 9 times 8,456, then lastly plus 1 times 19 times 3,896. So therefore, we can solve now yung value ng x using shift solve. So therefore, the answer here ay value of x is -19,732 divided by 2,813, or in decimal value, that is -7.0 0, 1, 4, 5, 7, 5. That is now the final answer for this particular matrix problem.